We're live. Welcome back to Expert Crypto. I'm going to show you guys my daily life in vlog format. You guys are going to get to peep in on my simulation that I live every day in the crypto market. We have a lot of stuff going on. We have a lot of things to get to. I'm going to go over some of the things that are trending right now. You guys always got to find out what is trending and what's going on. We'll go over Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin had a little consolidation last night. This is looking very good, guys. It did not drop as much as anticipated or as much yet. We really have seen Bitcoin to stay above 50, 55, 54. No need to worry about that too much. Yeah, Bitcoin affects every single one of your other cryptos, so you guys better pay attention to Bitcoin. I know it's boring for some of you guys, but you gotta get your Bitcoin on hold. All right. So what we see right here. We see Bitcoin had a little consolidation. We had only one big bar on the 4 hours that was a little bit bearish. Not too bad, guys. Really not too bad of a Sunday night or a Saturday night. We've seen a lot worse, guys. If you go back here, that was a lot worse. Yeah, but we've seen a lot worse. This is actually very, very good signs for this small of a consolidation. This small of a little baby infant fetus like dip. Not too bad. Probably shouldn't say that, but yeah, that does look good. And we're only up 20%. Okay, all these other dips we had a 25%, but we did not have that large of a dip. Okay, with this extremely large dip, I see us at least having another 20% run up until we get into real bearish territory. But we might take a little 4 or 5% dip Monday, but I highly doubt it. If I had to put the farm on it, I would definitely put the farm on it being bullish on Monday, unless there's some crazy news that comes out. You guys have to be trading. You guys have to be using more probabilities than emotions. Okay, you guys got to be what's more probable. What's going to happen in the market? What's more probable to happen in the market? Okay, and what's looking like the more probable outcome right now is Bitcoin being bullish on Monday. And that's what I'm talking about. If I'm wrong, you want to know what? I stuck with my probabilities. I stuck with my strategy. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with myself. I could sleep good at night, knowing that I didn't just ape in with a gut feeling. Never use gut feelings in crypto. Okay, gut feelings will get you losses. Okay, that's just how it goes. I know a lot of you guys use the gut feeling tactic. All right, the gut feeling tactic is not the way to go. I'll tell you that right now. You guys got to use probabilities. You guys got to use numbers. But Bitcoin is looking bullish right now. Let's go over what is trending. Okay, so here's the top 10 DeFi projects on Binance percent wise. Any BNB people out there? All right, look at this percent growth on Bake. If you guys do not know what Bake is, they're a DeFi NFT / ERC company. I will talk about them later tonight. I'm going to go over all the trending projects. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. I do have some big, not too much. I didn't expect them to blow up that much. But what I do, right? So you go to 7 days, you hit that up button, study every single project that's up over a significant amount. Maybe study the top 5 or the top 10, right? Then you go down here, you go to the second page, right? And you hit the 7-day thing again, right? You find out what's popping off. Okay, why is SNM up 1,000%? Whale activity. That's why. But yeah, you guys got to be able to do this. Okay, this really does help you guys understand and learn crypto more, because there's always reasons why this stuff is popping off. And in a bull market, right, you see stuff popping off 400%, 300%, 100% a week. We love Alice, by the way. We do love Alice. It's still undervalued from where it's at right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get into a bunch of those projects later tonight in the stream. Yeah, it's really good for you guys to understand what is popping off and why. This is not talked about on YouTube. Not a lot of my friends do this. Not a lot of my associates do this. I do this. I don't know. I find it pretty successful. Good learning experience just to see what's popping off. Right. Went over that last night. Top 7 gainers of the day. This was April 29th. Top 7 ICO. You guys can get good ICOs from him. I'll probably do an ICO video today or tomorrow, or IDO video. We'll have to see about that. Definitely going to do a gem video. Best gems for May 2021 coming out soon, guys. Yeah, but it's going to be hard for me to fit 5 in there just because, yeah. All right, sorry. No need to go into it. We have Prom. We have XPRT. We have UTF, Fine, Route, Bake, ION, and I would say out of all these, I still really do like Prom. It's on Binance though. and XR or XPRT, anything that's not on Binance already. Okay, once this stuff gets listed on Binance, you're going to see larger price run-ups, and most of these do have use case. The only one, in my opinion, that doesn't have too much use case yet is Route. I'll talk about all these projects later, okay? Because we got a lot of trades to get through. We got a lot of other important information to get to. You guys could look through it. So top 15 gainers in 2021 so far. Bake popping off, guys. And we have Ami, VRA, Cake, Doge, Dent, Matic, WRX, and this was April 30th when this was posted. So one as well. You guys see Harmony. I'm gonna get into Harmony, okay? So we saw the gainers, okay? Look at the top 30 trending coins through the 24th of April through the 30th of April. Look how low Harmony is, guys. Harmony's 29. Still not a lot of view on Harmony, even though it's on the trending page, right? It hasn't been on the trending page in a while, okay? It hasn't. I don't see Harmony ever trending. Even in the top 30, that's like pretty cool for Harmony. Wait till Harmony gets to like number 5 or number 10. You guys are gonna have an sensational amount of gains. All right. VRA is not too trending. We saw VRA on top 10 at one point, like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, around that. But yeah. So what I'm really looking for here is you guys can really tell what's going to go up in price. Alien Worlds. Not sure if you guys know about Alien Worlds, DeFi project, and I believe also NFT. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I am invested. They're up a lot. They're actually up quite a lot. I do feel they're a little bit pumped up, but I'll talk about them as well. Refinable, of course, that's the number one trending. Mr. Beast investing, blah blah blah. No one even really confirmed that Mr. Beast was investing, but we saw the 300x off of that. That was stupid, guys. That was very stupid. A lot of people lost a lot of money, but a lot of people made a lot of money, or less people did. But that's how it works. Yeah. But this is a very good thing to look at what's trending, what's going to be going up in price. If you guys can get the daily trending charts, you can see how high things are gaining. Momentum, you can see how much it does. I'm going to share you guys another site as well that you guys can use for this trending thing. It was just posted. I do not have my Discord open, so I'm not able to share it. Someone sent me it, though. Thank you for sending me that. I will show it later. I promise. Let me write that down so you guys can find out what's trending. Hype is everything in crypto, guys. Hype is absolutely everything in crypto as of right now. Hype goes along with use case most of the time. Like 80% of the time, it's hype with use case, but then the other 20% of the time, probably 20 to 30% of the time, it's just hype. No use case, doesn't matter. Yeah, but looking at hype is really good. If you see your project hyping, you know you're doing good. Just wait till HDR gets hyped up and stuff. Yeah. So Binance Smart Chain Ecosystem Social by Token Activity. We have Cake doing phenomenal. I believe this was updated May 1st, okay? So we're probably going to see a little Cake pump up today and tomorrow. Cake's been trending for quite a while. But look we also have Bake as well. Bake, Cake. I do feel like that's going to get some people psychologically. They're like, I need to invest in Bake if I'm invested into Cake. I don't know. I'm just messing around, but I mean that's retail investors. We're looking for the institutions. What are they investing in? Some institutions are investing into Cake. It's just a little bit of a referendum that's going on right now. Is who's gonna list all the ERC20 tokens? Who's gonna win this race? Whoever lists all ERC20 tokens on their DEX. I know a few have already done it, but I'm talking about like DEXs like Cake with these low fees, fast transfers, can handle that many transactions. Whoever can do it is going to be like the Usain Bolt of these DEX communities. They're gonna beat all these other ones by a lot just by having that. And that's going to be a thing that we're looking out for, a thing that we're actively searching for. Whenever you see a company come out with all ERC20 tokens, put the whole farm into it, and you guys will make a lot of money. XVS also, Venus popping off. Yeah, but I am looking to probably sell some of my BNB around $1,000. By the way, I would hold them longer, but it's just the fact of we're in altcoin season right now, and it's a very safe hold. I'm gonna hold them, till I'm like older. Okay, like for the next 20 years, I'll have some BNB. But right now, we're in this season where we see the ability to make these gains. Okay, these gains do not come by often. Like I've said, let's go to the to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, we'll go to the Bitcoin dominance chart, and I'll just hype you guys up a little bit, make you feel a little bit better about where things are at. So if you guys go all the way back to 2017, we haven't no 2017. Sorry, I'm on the 1 year chart, guys. So all the way back here in 2017, you guys saw how low this dominance was. You guys see this spike down, right? I do see us consolidating a little bit, kind of like 2017, 2018, but it's a different year, guys. It's a different time. We might see a little bit more, a little bit less of consolidation, but I do see us dropping down considerably down. I do see around low 40s. For Bitcoin dominance, meaning that all this money's in Bitcoin, right? We have 46% or 48% of the money only in Bitcoin, and I do see it dropping down to around 42% of the money in crypto, meaning these altcoins are going to get some pumps up, some leg ups, and yeah, I do see that happening. I do see that realistically, especially with crypto adoption. All these people are going to want to, they're going to want to be putting their money into these things with gains. These institutions are like, why didn't I invest into Bitcoin? Okay, why didn't I invest into Bitcoin? And my charts did not load. Dang it. Yeah, I had some charts open and restarted my computer. They did not load. It's okay. Just kind of annoying. I worked on them on this computer for a little bit, guys, a little bit. Yeah, we do see a lot of VeChain consolidation, by the way. Around 20 cents. I'll just skim over it a little bit. Sorry about that. I'll definitely get into it later. Sorry about that, guys. Little technical difficulties, but nothing we can't overcome. So around 20 cents, 21 to 20 cents, we have a large support level that needs to break out. If we did break out of it a little bit, but it's still consolidating a cent above it. So I still see that being a strong support. We need like a 2 to 3 cent push up, and we're going to be out of there, right? I mean, you guys saw this push up with VeChain, okay? We're looking really to sell VeChain selling around 30% of it, I would say around 30 cents, 30 to 40 to 50% around 30 to 32 cents. Don't sell at round numbers. We already know that. There's large support levels around round numbers. We've talked about that. Cardi Chain took another dip. We did get a sell on that. If it comes back down to here, we're going to buy some more. That's a great trade for you guys to do. And let's look at Ethereum, right? My title, I believe, let's see what the title of this video is. What did you put, editor? You put Ethereum, exclamation point, altcoins. All right, so Ethereum, exclamation point. We're almost at 3K Ethereum, guys. This is going to happen next time Bitcoin has a little bit of a leg up. We are seeing Ethereum, though, double Bitcoin's 7 days profit range, or 7 days movement range, I guess you could say. That's how you know we're in altcoin season. But yet again, there's a lot of hype going around Ethereum. There's a lot of institutions buying Ethereum, and they've bought in Bitcoin already. Okay, so these institutions are already in Bitcoin, and they're like, whoa, there's another cryptocurrency called Bitcoin, or called Ethereum, and they're buying Ethereum. Okay, these retail investors, right, are not pushing Ethereum up 24% in 7 days. I'll tell you that right now. I've been in crypto a while, and I can tell you this: these retail investors are not pushing up Ethereum 25% in 7 days. They might be doing 5%, they might be doing 7%, but this is coming from all these institutions that are FOMOing into Ethereum. I don't see it really taking another dip. You guys have to understand, this institutional money is beautiful because we're able to have these investors that are not trying to swing trade. They're not trying to leverage trade. They're not trying to do anything fancy, make some more volatility. What they're trying to do is just buy and hold, okay? And that's going to help us all out in the long run, okay? We're going to see a lot more institutionals coming into crypto. It's going to get a lot less crazy in the next 5 to 10 years. But until then, it's going to be crazy. Yeah, KSM pump. They had a parachain thing come out. We did buy some KSM on a trade. Let me go into KSM. I do love KSM. There we go. Yeah, we bought some down here, and we're looking to sell it around 450 to 460, and then again around 560 is going to be our main sell goal. Okay, but this graph messed up again. Sorry about that, guys. Now I'm just trying to guess. Oh yeah, we did hit we hit around 360 the buy zone. I would honestly put another buy zone around 400, 410, just because that's a good buy zone for them. I mean, you guys are not gonna see KSM under 500, $550 for too much longer. They're extremely undervalued. You want to know what? Let's see if KSM was trending. I highly doubt it. Everyone just sleeps on KSM. Do you guys see KSM in here? No. And they're still pumping. If something's not trending too and it's pumping, that's how you know institutions, these smart investors are buying it. Because some people only buy stuff when it's trending, okay? When it's pumped up, they didn't know about it before. And to see this pump up with KSM, not trending, not doing anything, that's great to see. And yeah, I've been in KSM for quite a while, guys. I have a little bit of expertise in KSM, but I'm telling you this under $300 KSM. I bought so much KSM, put it all on leverage. Very confident with KSM, guys. Extremely confident with KSM. I've been invested into them for too long, guys, for too long, to know that they're not undervalued. Okay. So I do see. Let me put some sell targets on here. Yeah. So I do have a 460 sell target though. Around 460, probably 460 right here. Probably be a little bit sooner than that. So we have 460. That's a sell target. Okay. And I do have another one. Let me go on the computer. I believe it's around 505 to 510, and then another one at 600. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, 510 to or 500. I'll probably do 505 or something like that, and then another one around 594. I already have them in my account ready to go. That's what you guys can do as well. You guys have to be having these price targets. You guys have to be having these things already mapped out in your brain, or already mapped out, just so you don't get get to clicking. Okay, when you get to clicking to hit that sell button, you're going against your strategy, and you guys just got to stick to your strategy. I guess if the market changes, if Bitcoin pushes up a certain amount, you guys are good to do that. But the way the market's moving right now, you guys stick to your strategy. Don't worry about anything else. All right. So, yeah, I'll get through the rest of the trades later tonight. They're probably pretty stagnant right now. You guys can watch my other videos to find those out. But I did mess up the graphs, and I'm not trying to go back and do that right now. We got other stuff to go. Guys, the dip is here. Ilzium, Genix. The dip is not here. This is, oh yeah, I guess the dip's here. Maybe this 1% dip is all we get. Make sure to smash that like button, okay? Make sure to hit that like button. Yeah, we have to no, you guys could be as good as me. I'm not like, you guys have to understand, with trading, all it is sticking to a strategy with anything in crypto. All you guys have to do is stick to a strategy. And what does stick to a strategy mean? All I'm telling you guys to do is make price targets. Use graphs, okay? I do a lot more complicated TA, but this is really easy TA than I'm doing technical analysis. I just say TA. But here, let me go to, where was Sol? Let me go to Manic. I think this is Manic. Yeah. This is really easy. Let me go to Manic, sorry. I wanna pull up Manic as well, because we did hit another buy order on Manic. All I'm doing is I'm using support, okay? So you'll find the support level, right? You'll find a support level. Where is it bouncing off of? Where is the trend showing where it's bouncing off of? Okay, yeah, we did hit another buy order on Manic, by the way. It barely got into there, but that's a great thing to see. So we got some more Manic on this little dip. But really, what I'm looking for, okay? It's not hard. You guys can do this. I'm telling you. A few months. Don't do more than 3 to 4x or maybe 5x leverage. But we are in a bull run, so doing this is extremely easy. But once we get into the bear market, you guys are gonna need a little bit more info, okay? But I'll get into that within the next few weeks. We will get into more complicated stuff, but this is not complicated, okay? So where's this trend line showing, okay? So we're seeing a lot of support with Manic, right? You see how it's consolidating here. It's consolidating up there. This is a fairly new consolidation zone because it's only been here for 4 days, 5 days. All right, so this is a lot different than other graphs. You see, like for the past 2 weeks, it was around 20 to 34 cents. In the past 7 days, it's done a dramatic run up. But what you're looking for is where is this support at? Where is it not dropping below? And where is it going above and then coming back down? Okay, so we see it going above 85 cents and then coming back down, and we see it staying between 85 cents and 74 cents. And that's really an easy thing to show. And you guys just want to be able to buy whenever it breaks out of that, especially if it's as bullish as Matic is. I'm just using fundamentals. Like the TV level of Matic is so low. It's so dramatically low. I don't see Matic I don't see Matic being under $2 by the end of May, and that's for sure. But using the RSI as well. Look at this RSI breakout. Okay, look at Matic's breakouts. You guys remember the breakout in March, the breakout in February, and the breakout in January was the craziest. And well, we've had massive breakouts with Matic, anyways. But every time after a breakout, you guys can use this RSI to see kind of where we're at. It does look a little bit bullish, especially with the RSI. But you guys see this MACD indicator. You see how every time it flips green and how it's red, it flips green a little bit. And you saw how when it does these massive run-ups, it flips green pretty heavily. And we're at this red thing right now, but it looks like it's a little consolidating. It's getting a little shorter, and I do see this flipping back within the next week and us pushing up to the next leg up. And it's not as hard as it seems. I promise you guys could figure this out. There's books online as well that you guys could read. I'm sure that you guys could really figure out how to trade without me. It just takes a little bit of time. It takes patience, okay? You guys have to have patience. Patience is everything. Patience is everything in trading and in crypto. What will grow faster, Luna or Link? Luna long-term, Link short-term probably. We'll have to see. Link has more hype. Luna has better long-term capabilities, in my opinion. I do see Luna pushing $160 by the end of the year. To $150 easily. I went over Luna in my last video, or 2 videos ago. Very, very great company. Their tokenomics, wonderful. And Chainlink has a lot of institutional support. It is in the almost top 10. So you see all these coins in the top 15 are getting institutional support, or else they wouldn't be here right now. This isn't just retail money, guys. This is institutional money. A lot of people are forgetting to talk about that, so it's great. Thoughts on H-bar? I'm not the biggest fan of H-bar for gains wise. Rip longs today. No, you guys can put in some longs now. Just make sure to really don't do too much leverage just because we're early in the day on Sunday. Okay. Yeah, I know. Timo Matic was very stagnant for a while. I was holding on to them for a while. I sold some off. I got impatient and I bought back in after they pumped up, and then I got some. This was months ago though, but yes. Trias. Oh, you guys probably want to know about Trias. I'm telling you guys, with these small caps, sometimes it might take a year. Sometimes it might take a year and a half. Put a small bag into them. Put a small bag into them. We don't want to overbuy on these small caps. I know, yes, this could be 100x. Yes, it's really shaping up to be like 100x. But at the same time, 100x's, 200x's, 300x's, 400x's, whatever you want to think about, they take some time. Okay, yeah, you might have that 100x that you saw that happened in 3 months, 4 months. But especially with Trias's patents and especially with their movement, I do see 2022 to 2023, them at least pulling off 100 to 200x from where they're at right now. But it takes some time, okay? It takes some time. They do have a great company, great thing. You guys can just be adding small bags every single dip. All right, that's not a bad idea. But when we see this volume increase this much, I told you guys, wait for a dip. Wait for a dip to at least $7 to $6 and then buy some. But dollar cost averaging on every single dip. If you guys really have faith in these small caps, that's how you make more money, because a lot of these people just buy in whenever it's getting pumped up and then they get screwed over. Like I said, it's all about a strategy, guys. If you guys stick to that strategy of buying the dips, dollar cost averaging the dips, you will be successful. You'll be more successful than the people that are not following that strategy or don't have any strategy in mind. Bullish on Sol. Can you do episodes of safest top 5 10x coins? Yeah, maybe. We'll see. What do you think Ethereum will be in December? I don't see Ethereum pushing over. I don't see Ethereum pushing over like. I was thinking about this. Okay, so Ethereum, For Ethereum to go over 10K, guys, for Ethereum to go over 10K, we're talking about a 1.5 trillion market cap, a 1.65 trillion market cap, okay? Or around that. For it to 5x from where it's at, that would be around a 15K Ethereum. But you guys have to understand a 15K Ethereum or a 10K Ethereum is an insane run up from right now. I do not see that happening until maybe next year. Okay, I don't see a 10K Ethereum probably till, yeah, it could be December, maybe could be November, but I really cannot predict that. It's all about what these institutions are doing. I can't predict what these institutions are going to do. I can't predict about what the news is going to be in the future because you never know. That's a long-term bet, and especially with the way crypto has been going right now, these long-term bets, like 6 months to a year from now, are very hard to predict. I'd rather do the long bets where it's like 4 years or 5 years from now. Those are more safer. That's more predictable. If you guys look back at crypto, if you've been in crypto a while, you know that these 1 year bets, these 6 months bets, are kind of a little bit unpredictable, and it showed that. But I might just still have some PTSD, but I do see a strong bull case for crypto the next year from now. But yet again, I do like to think of stuff longer term than just 1 year because of how things go, and that's why I trade so I guess you could say fast compared to other people. Yes, I do pay a lot in taxes. Yes, my accountant does do a ridiculous amount of work, but yet again, I have been a lot more profitable doing that. And that's just because of the volatility in crypto. You can be profitable paying lots in taxes. What are your thoughts on Uniswap with V3 coming out? We're 2.5 weeks away, or we're 2 weeks and 1 day away, or 2 weeks and 2 days, something like that, away from Uniswap V3. Who doesn't know about Uniswap V3? I'm not sure if people might figure it out. I don't know. I feel like everyone kind of knows about it that's going to be invested. Maybe we might see a 10 to 20 to 30% run up from now to 2 weeks from now. But I really feel like since they've already announced it, since it's already out in the air, people really do know about it, okay? Thoughts on Zero? We do love Zero. Thoughts on PCNT? Let me look here. I'm gonna try and go through some that I see a lot, okay? ERSDL looks kind of pumped at $1.20. The thing with ERSDL, a lot of whales are getting into it. A lot of institutional money is getting into ERSDL. That's predicted. Okay, we knew that was going to happen eventually. It just happened very quick. FTM, let's see what FTM's at today. Not FTM. Here's FTM. Oh sweet, my graph actually saved. Look at, we hit our sell prices beautifully. Look at this bounce off our sell prices, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. This isn't hard to predict. We have the trend resistance, okay? You just take this and you go boom. You try and find the trends, okay? We found the trends and we saw the support level for FTM. I'm just trying to explain this to you guys so you guys can understand. The more you understand, the better you know. So look at this trend level that we have up here. It's more of down here is where it's really bouncing off of, which is 83 cents. We hit the sells on this. So we still probably own 20 to 30% of FTM. We're waiting for a dip back down to buy some more. And then we're probably going to sell some more around 8.2 again and then see if it could bounce out of it. But if we're still heading up in upwards momentum, I do see it bouncing up because you guys see this. It runs up, bounces down, runs up to a higher high, drops down, goes to a higher high again, drops down, goes to a higher high again. And if we see another drop down, right, I do think that we'll go to a higher high and we might be able to break out of this 82, 83 cents or 88 cents chokehold that FTM's currently in. So yeah, that's a really good trade. We got like 200% on that one. If you guys did 10x leverage, that's 2,000%. If you guys did 5x, that's 1,000% leverage. You guys only get that during the bull run mainly. Just saying. But no, with the sell target is probably 1,800%. So 1,800% gains, dude. Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin's been pumping, guys. I don't know if you guys have been seeing that. I've been looking at it a little bit. BTT BitTorrent. I am bullish, but I am bullish on a bunch of coins that have use case like they do. But I do see some other things pumping up other than BTT. They're only up 2% in the past 7 days compared to everything else. There's a lot of things that have pumped. BitTorrent kind of already had its pump up, guys. Look at Bake. Okay. Jeez, man. Yeah, but like I said, let's see how far down they are. They're probably not doing too good. They're 30 They're like almost at the bottom in the top 100 for gains on the week. That means they're probably pumped up a lot. Not a lot of people are going to want to invest in them right now. Unless they come out with some game-breaking news, some crypto shaking news, I don't see them pumping up too much. They're just going to follow the back of the pack with a lot of these cryptos in the top 100. I do like them though. Great use case. What do I see with Dent? A lot of people ask about, that we went over VeChain. It needs to break out of the 20 cent, 21, 22 cent support. We might see a little bit drop down, a little consolidation, but it needs to go around 24 to 25 cents to really gain some momentum. There's a little strong support there. Where's Dent at? All right, yeah, Dent pumped down 5% today. Let's look at the chart. I don't think I have the charts on Dent. Sorry, I remember I bought in the Dent back in the day, and I actually lost a lot of money into them. That was during the other crash. But no offense to Dent, okay. So what are all-time highs looking like for Dent? Let's see. We had before the crash, we had around a 21 cent Dent, and right now we're sitting around a 10 cent Dent. Not too much volatility. We did have a large price run up after this dip. Look at all these investors buying back in, and then a little bit of a consolidation, a little bit of a rundown. The volatility wasn't too high, especially when this first run up came. But right now we're seeing volatility die off. We're seeing Dent die a little bit down, and we just need to see volatility pick up a little bit more, and maybe we'll be able to break some new higher levels. But that's going to need a lot of volatility. Okay. I am bullish on Dent. Mobile data plans, call minutes, top performing roaming experience, but they do have a long way to go. They do have a long way to go, a lot of years to prove themselves. They could be big 5-10 years from now, and they could be lasting a long time. We just got to invest in these companies that are going to last a long time, or sell these companies that are not going to last a long time but are going to pump up. That's the goal of this bull run. Okay, we're trying to sell these coins that aren't going to last. Okay, they're not going to last. You know, you guys are only gonna hold them for profits, and you're going to sell them off. You're going to forget about them, and then you're just going to throw them into your favorites. What do you say about XRP? All right, we'll go through XRP. So my sell target for XRP is $1.78, $1.82. I might move that down. I do see 80 cents as a $1.80 around a hard support. Probably do 178, 177 cents. And the thing with XRP is everyone's like, the lawyers, the lawsuits, they're over, guys. They're going to come over. No one knows that the XRP is going to win their lawsuit. And it's not like this billion dollar company is going to lose a lawsuit or anything. Guys, they're billions of dollars worth of, they're $1 billion company, okay? All these whales, they know that XRP is going to win this. All these institutional investors, they know XRP is going to win this. It's like David versus Goliath, especially with these $1 billion companies. They always win their lawsuits, and if they don't, you'll know before, okay? We would know before. Things are looking good for XRP in their lawsuits. Everyone knows they're going to win, and I do see that factored into their price already. And one of their lawsuits is basically over. Then they had a little publicity lawsuit that really didn't mean much. There was really no material thing. It wasn't even like a big lawsuit. It was more of not going to get into it. It was more of just off-topic lawsuit, I would say, not involving really XRP. But XRP is going to win that lawsuit. You guys might see a 10%, 20% price increase, but it's not going to see a 180, 50% price increase, okay? It's already factored into the price dramatically. A lot of people believe in XRP. I do see $160 million XRP by the end of the year, market cap value. I am bullish on them, guys. They are going to be implemented into quite a lot of things. They'll be able to do transactions across the world very cheap. You guys will see them in the oil industry. You guys will see them in multiple industries, okay? And once they're in the oil industry, guys, it's going to be big. It's going to be big. Buy more Bitcoin. We'll buy some more Bitcoin soon, okay? We'll buy some more Bitcoin soon, but not yet. Not yet. Zero. Let's see what Zero's doing. It's very sad to see Zero not pump up, guys. It's sad. I want to know why. They're an amazing company, guys. Even we had some little bit of hype around them. I really do think it's just this down here, guys. It's just the Uniswap and the Bill Axie. I think it's just the DEX is holding them down, which that's okay. Want to know why? We get them at low. We get Zero at a low price. Once it gets listed on a better exchange, we're good to go, because there's been a lot of great news that has come out about Zero. I've seen companies that have been on PancakeSwap or Binance. They have the same news that Zero has. They pull off 5, 7Xs, okay? Zero is just completely undervalued because it doesn't have the right support with the dexes. Okay, the CEO doesn't care about the dexes. He's letting these people that know about Zero get in at the discount price. And we got to take that, okay? We got to take that. And I do see Zero pulling off their SEX DEX, also IDO service through Avalanche ecosystems. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful company, beautiful layout. Their DEX or whatever, V2, whatever came out, beautiful. I need to use them as well before I give a full review on their stuff. Probably not going to do that on camera, so you guys, not going to do any reviews on camera. I'll just tell you guys how they are off. But yeah, what's pumping up in the past 24 hours in the top 100? Let's check. Nano, VNX, Venus. We do see Venus pumping up quite a lot the past week. We did talk about them. Big as well, guys. Big's in the top 100. That's cool to see. We will get into that one deep tonight. And they are the number one trending, or they were, for a few thing. Let me find it. To get X out of it, but yeah, they were trending. You guys gotta look at trending, like I said. KSM had some news come about the other night. Not too sure why they aren't pumping. Maybe they'll pump Monday, but we'll have to see. All right, so I'm probably gonna end the stream there. I got a lot of videos coming out today. We're going to go over what some more small caps today. I'll do another stream tonight going over those trades that got deleted or whatever that I had up. Worked a while on those, but it's okay. It happens. So make sure you guys stay tuned to that. I'll be going over more coins today, and we'll do another stream tonight. Prepare you guys for Monday for the next week, so you guys will have the most edge, or the highest edge that you can. Have a great day. Enjoy your guys this Sunday, and I'll see you guys later.